This is Tim from Your Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the corrupted game data on your PlayStation 4. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply just to put it into safe mode. So let's go to power and go to turn off right here. And to operate the safe mode menu, you will need a USB connected to your controller. So let's just connect this right now. And then we want to go down to our PlayStation and hold down the power button. So when it turns off, just wait for this light to stop blinking. So we don't want this in rest mode, we want it completely turned off. Then hold down the power button, you'll hear one beep. And then you're going to hear a second beep, maybe like 10 seconds later. And this will launch into the safe mode. So you need to plug in your controller for the safe mode to actually work. Otherwise you won't be able to get past this screen. So it says, connect the DualShock 4 controller and press the PlayStation button. Okay, let's do that. Then under here, go on down to this option where it says option number 5, rebuild database. Says it will take a few hours, but my experience only takes like a few seconds. So it's going to restart into the screen where it says an estimated amount of time of how long it's going to take. But if you have any kind of hard drive issues, any kind of like corrupted data, any kind of corrupted game saves, this should fix it. And then you should be good to go. So it's going to restart now into this blue screen. And then once this completes, you're good. So very simple to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Studios.